Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video. I have not done a makeup tutorial in so long, but I've been really into these like fox eye makeup looks. I've seen them like all over TikTok and YouTube, so I thought for this video, why not do a little tutorial of how to get this look. I also have like a version of it on my TikTok where I also have a lot of other like outfit videos. And I came up with a really cute outfit with this look. So yeah, stay tuned to the end to check that out and let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe after watching. Let's get into it. If you want to learn how to do a cat eye look like this, keep